Good day. So this is Simple Graphics. In this video I want to make this design, a Newegg design. So got this picture from ChatGPT, although I saw something related online and I have to just create something. Let me see if I will see the one I got online. So this is it. So this is the one I got online, and I want to create something similar to this, but I want to make a difference. So I made this. So I'm going to delete everything here and then we'll start again. So the image size I use is 4 by 5. You can just type 4,000 in this place and 5,000 here. It will enter. So it's the same thing. So what I did was to actually put the picture first of all. So this is my picture, and I just increase it to the ending, and then I centralized it and I locked it. So the next one is I put my okay, let me put my text. So the text is first one is new week. So I just turned it like this and I increase this. I use a test called bricolage. So I use this one. I think I sent this font to my WhatsApp group chat. So if you don't have it, you can check on the Telegram also. Yeah, Telegram, and you will see the font. So this is what I did. So I just added the new week. So I use perspective, and looking at the road is one side bigger than the other, so you need to make it that way. So something like this. It's cool. So this is just it. So the next thing I did was to work on the rotation of the text. So I just want it to look straight in. So just like this, new week. So I'll lock it and copy it, and then put work smart. So I'm just going to increase it and then change the rotation to, and this is it. So I'll take it this way. So this is just it. Okay, in this week I want to put a comma. So let me take it down. I think it's kind of too large. So this is it. I'm just making this, and then I added a text. The text here, no. Okay. Let me use this. So I just copied this and added the text I also got from ChatGPT, and this is it. It's a large text and it's actually too big, so I reduce the size and image size. So this is just it. So I changed the font family. I changed it to this bricolage. So what I did was just this. So the perspective, I worked on the perspective again because it's looking so big. So I just bring it out a little, and I work on the rotation, and this is it. So the next thing I did was to add my logo. It was not actually add this thing I'm designing now. It took me about 30 minutes to work on, but now I did it in few minutes. Why? Because I've done it before. So I just added my logo here. So the next thing is to impute the image of the person again. So this is a picture. So with the same size I gave to background, I'm going to give this the same size, the image the same size, and I'm going to centralize it. That's just all. So make sure that this is the image. This background should be at the same background with this place. So you just pick this background here and okay it. So practically we've gotten our new week design. So this is just it, very short and simple. So thank you guys for this video. Make sure you subscribe, you follow, and also don't forget to share so people they want to learn design. So thank you all. I'll see you guys in the next video.